In the Pacific Ocean, 600 miles off the coast of Ecuador, lies one of the most extraordinary places on Earth. A land of volcanic origins, isolated for millions of years, the Galapagos Islands have become a living laboratory of evolution and a sanctuary for some of the world's most unique wildlife. The story of the Galapagos begins with fire. Roughly 5 million years ago, volcanic activity beneath the ocean's surface gave birth to this archipelago. Lava flowed from deep within the Earth, solidifying into the islands we see today. Over time, these volcanic peaks rose from the sea, forming a chain of islands, each at a different stage of its geological life. Isolated from the mainland for millions of years, the Galapagos remained untouched by humans. This remoteness allowed nature to take its course without interference. Species from the mainland, arriving by chance on drifting vegetation or blown by the wind, found themselves in a completely new environment, free from competition and predators. Perhaps no place on Earth better illustrates the power of evolution than the Galapagos. The island's unique isolation allowed species to adapt and evolve in ways seen nowhere else. Marine iguanas, the only seagoing lizards in the world, graze on underwater algae. Giant tortoises, some weighing over 500 pounds, roam the volcanic highlands. Here, evolution has worked in unusual ways, shaping species to fit the island's harsh and diverse landscapes. In 1835, a young naturalist named Charles Darwin arrived on the HMS Beagle. Little did he know, his observations here would revolutionize the way we understand life on Earth. Darwin was struck by the subtle differences between species on different islands, particularly the famous finches. These birds had adapted their beaks to different food sources, leading Darwin to theorize that species were not fixed, but could change and evolve over time. The finches of the Galapagos, now known as Darwin's finches, are perhaps the most famous example of adaptive radiation, where a single species evolves into many, each adapted to a different ecological niche. But they are just one of the many wonders of these islands. The blue-footed booby, with its bright blue feet, performs a comical dance to attract mates. And in the cold waters surrounding the islands, Galapagos penguins, the only penguins found north of the equator, dart gracefully through the water. Beneath the waves, the Galapagos is equally remarkable. The convergence of warm and cold ocean currents creates a marine environment rich in biodiversity. Sea lions playfully dart through schools of fish, while sea turtles glide past coral reefs. The island's waters are also home to majestic hammerhead sharks and graceful manta rays, creating a marine ecosystem as diverse and vibrant as the land above. But this unique ecosystem is fragile. In recent decades, the Galapagos has faced increasing pressure from human activity. Tourism, while bringing much-needed awareness and funding for conservation, has also led to overcrowding. Introduced species, such as rats and goats, have devastated native wildlife populations. Overfishing in the surrounding waters further threatens the delicate balance of the islands. Thankfully, efforts to protect the Galapagos have intensified. Strict regulations on tourism, eradication programs for invasive species, and marine reserves are helping to preserve this natural treasure. Conservationists are working tirelessly to restore the island's fragile ecosystems, ensuring that future generations will continue to marvel at their beauty and wonder. The Galapagos Islands are more than just a destination, they are a symbol of the power and fragility of life. These islands remind us of the incredible forces of evolution and the delicate balance that sustains our planet. They stand as a testament to nature's ability to thrive, adapt, and survive in the most unlikely of places. The Galapagos Islands, isolated yet interconnected with the rest of the world, continue to inspire scientists, conservationists, and adventurers alike. It is a place where time seems to stand still, yet evolution moves forward. As we protect these islands, we safeguard one of the world's last truly wild places, a living legacy for all of humanity. Join us in preserving the Galapagos, a sanctuary where the wonders of evolution continue to unfold, and the story of life on Earth is still being written. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss an adventure. Share this with your friends, and let's spread the fun. Your support means everything. Thanks again, and see you in the next one.